There's always that sense of danger. 11, 10 years old, I'm trying to get to school and I'm like looking back left and right to make sure that no one's gonna come at me. It was just like that tendency of like, you could get hurt. It took more of a mental toll on me. I remember like in high school, sophomore year, like I was really depressed. I would just go to school, go home and play video games. That was just my lifestyle, neglecting the important stuff. It was just because of my self-esteem. Coming into the DSY program, it was just like, whoa. I need to really like evaluate myself and then get myself back on track. They want you to become someone you didn't think you were gonna become. Every week it was just something different. These lifelong skills that will help sharpen your ability to become someone in the future. And then you start seeing yourself develop as a person. And that was a turning point for me because now I could believe in myself.
Seeing the All-Stars come to life across RBC in the U.S. has really been a great achievement. I've had a number of the All-Stars who I continue to mentor this day. What inspired me to get involved is the commitment put forth by the young people involved in the program. It's really about bringing out confidence in the inner city kids that may not be easy to do just in their daily walk of life. And I wanted to be a part of contributing to that effort. Mark, so tell me, how do you feel being involved with the All-Stars has changed your life?
It honestly helped me to become a better person. It gives me that fire inside to be able to know that there are people out there that want me to become better. Because in 5 to 10 years, I'm going to be someone that I know I'm going to be proud of. When you change a kid's life, you help them achieve their wildest dreams.